everybody. Nice to see you. I'm in Tokyo today, as this is where I live, and it's the 26th of February, Monday, 2018. And I am new to YouTube, but I'm not new to cryptocurrency. I just want to tell you how I got in because I think you'll understand my passion about why I started this channel. So in 2013, I have a programmer friend here, and we were at lunch in Shibuya, and he told me about the Bitcoin. And I just had no idea what it was. I'd never heard about it before. And he had a difficult time explaining it to me, actually. So I did my own research when I got home, and I immediately saw this is kind of interesting because it's got a ease of use for transferring money. All the expats who live overseas have trouble with sending money back and forth from their home country to where they are living. So I got more interested, and then once I also saw that this was not tied to any government and not tied to any country, I immediately had that aha experience with those two elements of value. And for me, I thought I have to be involved with this. I want to support it. So in January of 2014, I made my first purchase, and I've been sitting diligently on the sidelines watching some fabulous content providers on YouTube, and I always felt like everybody was doing such a great job that why should I involve any of my time to this space in this kind of format. Well, what I have realized over the last year and a half is that the content providers have become just so vast, and all the information is incredibly difficult to get through if you really want to stay up on what's happening and what's changing. And I know that if you've been in the crypto world, you probably have your favorite people to follow. That's great. I'm not asking you to change. I'm asking you, though, to give my channel a chance, because what I want to do is quickly highlight, hopefully on a daily basis, the one video that I found that I think is really worth your time, and I want to direct you that way. I'll always have those links below, and you can just quickly take a look and see what it is I have found, and if it's an issue or a interest that is going to benefit you, then great. I feel wonderful. So today, I was listening to Sunny, and Sunny is one of the favorite content providers that I like to listen to. He's in the complete list that you'll also find down below. And he was doing a little bit of a rant. And, you know, sometimes it's not enjoyable to hear people going off on some salty subjects, but his salty subject made sense to me because he was really getting frustrated with the community as it has grown to be, with people who are not exactly into Bitcoin for the same reasons he got in, or for the same reasons I got into supporting and believing in the technology. So I thought, okay, well, he's right. He's got a great point. And so I need to somehow bring something to the space that maybe can help. So I went looking, and I realized, oh my gosh, there's Sentdex. Sentdex is a Python programmer. He has an incredible amount of over 1,000 videos he's made, and he mostly does tutorials for Python programming, but he did do back in 2014 an unbelievable job to explain the white papers that has outlined the scope and the concept, the abstract and the details for what Bitcoin is. And I think if you've read the white papers, great. If you haven't, then hurry up and do it. But just reading the white papers doesn't always explain to you what the white papers are saying. So this is why Harrison Kinsley of Sentdex is a superb resource to go, and actually he'll break down the white papers for you just about line by line by line, and he just doesn't talk to you, but he uses his screen to actually demonstrate hashtags, for example, and or the proof of work and how that works and why it's so important and why Bitcoin is so incredible. And then maybe when we go through these slower times and tough red markets, you won't think about panic selling, or you won't think about making a decision that goes against the whole reason why you got into buying Bitcoin. So I know some people don't care about that point. Some people got in just for speculative reasons. I guess that's okay, but I think that there's better reasons to be buying Bitcoin than just for speculation. And I just want to do my part in bringing this great video. It's actually a series of videos, so you don't have to sit and watch the whole thing from beginning to end. He's broken it up into parts. And you know, you gotta be amazed with this guy. He has 34 million views on his channel, and what is it, 355,000 subscribers. So, you know, he is one of those people that you need to listen to. So please take a look at the content providers that I've highlighted below, and also the links needed to listen to Sunny and his rant, which is, I don't know, for me, gave me a wake-up call. And then also the link to listen and watch the Sentdex videos on the white papers. So 2 important links, I think. Thank you, and y'all take care.